Hey everybody, this is Mike with UTV Stereo. Just wanted to come to you with a quick install video on our rear camera system for the Can-Am X3. So come on with me real quick and we'll show you how to install it. Alright, so for the rear camera we're going to go ahead and mount the switch first. All we do is pop out the cover in whatever spot you want it in, run your wire through, and when you plug it back in, make sure the tab lines up with the hole in the bottom of the switch. Snap it in. Alright, so the power for your rear camera is going to come from the factory accessory plug. I've already pulled this one down in this car. The newer cars, the 2020s and up, the plug is buried up way up high, but you can get to it. The older cars, it's actually taped to this harness. Either way, you just disconnect it from the white plug that it's plugged into and plug in this jumper harness that comes with the kit. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and hook up our camera trigger wire and our video feed to the radio. Alright, now we're going to take the backup camera wire and feed it back through the center console following the stock harness to the back of the car, and then we'll go out following the stock harness out to the driver's side of the vehicle. Alright, in order to make running the wire in the back of the vehicle a little bit easier, you can pull this cover off to gain access to the back where the wire is. And now just follow the factory harness across out the driver's side of the vehicle. Now we're going to bring the wire out the driver's side of the vehicle. Make sure you zip tie your wire up the entire way. And then follow the harness up towards the brake light. Alright, so to install our backup camera, the first thing you're going to have to do is remove your license plate. Alright, once the license plate's been removed, you go ahead and take your bracket and put the supplied hardware through your license plate and through the bracket on the back side. Now set the license plate back up, center it in place, and put the washer and the nut on the back side. And when you're doing the installation of the backup camera, we also offer an illuminated license plate frame that is designed to work around the backup camera plate as well. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put the camera into the mount. Now when you get to this point, do not snap the camera in because we need to align it first, but we have to finish hooking it up. Now we'll run the wire over to the other side, over to where the rest of the wires came up from the driver's side here. And then secure your wires up out of the way of any hot or moving parts. Alright, now that we have the wires here to hook up, you'll see the camera kit comes with a power adapter harness. What you're going to do is trim that down a little bit. I'm going to strip back the insulation. And you should get your red and black wires. Go ahead and take the insulation off those and put your connectors on. Now we're going to hook those up. Now the kit comes with a couple of pieces of heat shrink to cover up your connections. Now simply tie everything up, and then we'll go to align the camera. All right, now that the radio's on, in order to activate the backup camera, the ignition either needs to be on or the motor needs to be running. So now we turn on the backup camera switch, and that'll bring up our image. And now, with the help of a trusty friend, we'll go ahead and rotate the camera around until it's lined up straight. There you go, right there. And then you go ahead and snap in the camera. And that completes your backup camera installation. I hope you found this video informative, and come back for more. Thanks.